Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this tutorial video which is brought to you by Cosmos. What is Cosmos? Cosmos is a marketing software or a platform that you can use to send bulk emails, bulk SMS and bulk WhatsApp messages to your customers, to your users, or whichever set of people you are targeting or you are trying to reach out to. Alright, and in this tutorial video we'll be looking at some important things that you need to have ready in your journey of sending out bulk emails to your customers. And this tutorial videos is meant for people that which are VTU owners, that means VTU website owners, and you are making use of the Topupmate software. That means you are a VTU website owner and your website is powered by the Topupmate software. And it's also, aside that category of people, is meant for people that are making use of this Topupmate software and they don't already have a list of email contacts of their customers. That means you don't have the information of your customers or your website users already in a CSV file. So in this in this tutorial video we'll be going through step-by-step process of how you can make use of a program that we have provided for you to extract informations from your website or your database. And the informations we are looking at extracting are the first name of your customers or your users and their email addresses. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's dive in deep. If you check the description of this video, you will see a link where you can get the program you're going to be using in this video. That means the program is just a PHP code that you'll be using to extract these informations from your database. So just click on the link, download the PHP file, and the file is what you're going to be using in this video. So, and after downloading the file, because downloading the file is the very first step you need to do, and it's a very important step. So after downloading the file, then we are going to move ahead and log in to the cPanel of your website. So to show you the step-by-step process, I'm going to also log into my cPanel and show you how you need to do it. Okay, I'm going to head over to my browser. Alright, I'm already logged into my cPanel and I'm just going to head over right to the file manager. And under the file manager we are going to be uploading the file we already downloaded, and the name of the file is extract.php. So that is the file we'll be uploading. So right, I'm already inside the file manager and these are the files and codes for my website. Alright, I'm just going to head over and upload the extract.php file that we already downloaded. So I'm just going to locate where it is. So this is the file, so I'm just going to upload directly to my cPanel and we already have it uploaded. So I'm just going to go back. Then the next thing for me to do is to locate that file here. This is the file. I'm going to add on and edit the file. Edit, and we already have this opened up. Then I will go back to the file manager. Then I will locate the core directory, core, this CORE. Then I'll open it up, and under the core directory I will locate the models. So this is the model. I'll also open it up. Then I'll locate the model.php. Then we have it right here. Then instead of editing, I will just view, because we only wanted to get some information there, or just do copy and paste. So what we are trying to get from the model.php are the information of our database, which in other words it can be called the database credentials, which are the database name, the username and the password for our database. So this right here are the information that we need. We have the database name here, the database username and the database password. So I'm just going to add on and copy the database name As you can see, the database name and database username are the same, so I don't have to copy the database username again. I'll just copy the database password. Then I will head over to the extract.php that I already edited. Then I will modify this part of the code. This for the database username. This as our username. Then for the password, I will paste this also for database username, which is the same as our database, the database name rather, which is the same as our database username. I'll also paste this aspect of this code. Please, I want you to ensure that when you are doing this process, do not mess up the code, please, because any little mistake here might result into an error. In that what we are trying to do, we'll not be able to do it. You'll not be able to generate the CSV file that we are planning to generate, which will contain the list of your customers' information or your users' information, which are their first name and their email addresses. So ensure this information that I've pasted are inside this quote, this apostrophe, this single quote. Ensure that is how you do it. Then I will go ahead and save changes. All right, so then to run this program or the PHP code that we have uploaded to our file manager or our cPanel, whichever one you call it. If you remember, we uploaded this to the to our root directory of the public_html, which is this is where we have our PHP file that we're going to be running to generate the information that we need. So the domain name for my website is payway.ng. So what I will do is, now I've already entered the domain name. If your domain name is example.com, you enter example.com. If your domain name is godaddy.com.ng, you enter godaddy.com.ng in the / whichever domain name you are making use of. Is the same process, and you don't have to stress yourself or bother yourself too much about it. So just enter your domain name, then followed by the name of the file that we uploaded, which is extract. Ensure you enter the correct name of the file. Ensure everything is correct and your spelling it and correct, no mistakes. Or else it will just, if I do this, if I probably make an adjustment and I didn't enter the correct spelling, instead of adding C, I didn't remember to add C and I load it, will be presented with the error 404, which means the resource requested could not be found on this server because that file does not exist. So I will edit this back and add the C the way it's supposed to be. Then I will load it up and boom, we have it here. Data successfully exported to subscribers.csv. What does that mean? It means the data we are trying to extract from our database has already been extracted and has been exported to this subscribers.csv. So if you, to show you, this little trick or magic or whatever we have done, if I head over to this subscriber, this public HTML, which is our root directory, you see everything that we have here. So if I just reload, so trying to locate the subscribers.csv, this is extract.php. Yeah, here is our subscribers.php. That means it's extracted those information from the database and saved them or exported them to this file, inside this file. So if you open up this file, you will see those information. But just not to bore you with all this, because this might be a little bit complicated or complex for you. So just go over here. After you have seen this, you just download the CSV file. Then the file will be downloaded to your device. You understand? So this is the file. So I'll just open it up so as to show you what we have done in then here we have all this information right here. So this means this is the end of this tutorial video, and In other videos, we'll be revealing how you can make use of this file and send bulk emails to your customers using Cosmos, the marketing software or solution or a platform that you can use or leverage on to send bulk emails, bulk SMS, and bulk WhatsApp messages to your users, to your customers, or to anyone you want to reach out to. Thank you, and God bless you.